What's the meaning of back copy? Back copy. Back copy.
Back copy. Back copy. Back copy is a term commonly used in the field of journalism and publishing. It refers to the copies of a publication, such as a newspaper or magazine, that are no longer current or on the newsstands, but instead are stored in archives or backrooms. These copies can be retrieved for various purposes such as research, fact-checking, or even nostalgia. Back copies serve as historical records of events and societal changes, offering insight into how the media has covered and presented information over time. They may also hold cultural and sentimental value for those who collect or study them.